Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable keyboard sounds on your Android phone. So let's get started. So very first thing you want to start by doing is going into your setting. Now, once in your settings, you're going to go to sounds and vibration. Now from sounds and vibration here, we're going to go to system sound. And in the system sound here, we're going to see Samsung keyboard sound or your Android phone keyboard sound. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on if you want to enable it, and if it's already enabled, you want to disable it, just simply toggle it off. So that's how you enable or disable keyboard sound on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider liking and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.